Okay, thank you everyone for coming. We'll get started here right now, so if you're not already have your rapt attention. All right, so I'm Nate, this is Debjani. We are going to walk you through the day in the life of someone using the SharePoint mobile app to find and discover information on the go. Okay, so let's get started with that. Before we get into the demos, which we'll spend most of the time doing, I want to talk a bit about the what. Okay, so as you know, there's a SharePoint mobile app for Android and iOS. Intelligence is really at its core. You'll see some today, you've heard a lot about it at the event so far, and you'll see us innovate in that space and bring more intelligence to the apps over time. So that's a big thing for us. And then the other big area, the other big what is familiar experiences that you're used to today, bringing lists and documents, we'll talk about that a little bit. And then new experiences as well that are really made for mobile, made for on the go. So we want to touch on both of those today, and then again, this is a theme you'll see over time from the SharePoint mobile team. The why, this is probably very obvious, but folks today have devices. Folks today have a lot of data in their SharePoint world. So bringing those two things together has become a must, and it's really how we think about the why of building this experience. Being able to get to your content, being able to access it on the go, those are all things that are important that we're building into the way we think about search and find and news and all the other experiences that we'll walk through today. And then finally, it's not enough anymore to have a way to go find your content. We want to bring questions and answers to you, mostly answers, less on the question side. But you'll see us over time, again, provide more in the way of answers to the things that we think are powerful, that we think will help you through AI, through graph, through search, through the various things that we're working on today. So now we're going to go to a day in the life, and Debjani's going to kick us off. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, we're on this device.
It's good, you're good.
Cool. So Nate and I took the fact that this is a theater session quite seriously, and by that we mean literally. And so we are going to play two characters for you. I am going to be Joni. I am a legal expert at Contoso Electronics, and Nate is going to play Jordan. He's on the test engineering team at Contoso. And our work overlaps because we both work on building and managing Contoso's open source initiatives. So with that elaborate setup, let's jump into this. We meet Joni for the first time when she's commuting to work on the subway. And she remembers that the day before, there was a really good presentation on proposals for new benefits for employees at Contoso. And a document was presented at this meeting. So Joni wants to look it up. Joni has the SharePoint mobile app. So she opens it up. For those of you familiar with the app, you'll notice that the tab structure has changed. We now have a single central Find tab that brings together your sites, files, people, and lots more. And in this session, we'll go into more details on that. For now, remember, Joni was looking up the document on benefits proposals. So she goes into the search bar and types in benefits proposals and hits go. Now, search results have 5 tabs. There's all sites, files, news, and people. Joni is looking for a file, so she could go to the Files tab, and the new benefits proposals document is right there, and that's what she's looking for. Or she can view the results under the Alls tab as well. But before Joni can click into this document, she arrives at her subway stop. And to avoid the mad rush to the door, she needs to put the phone away. But that's not a problem, because when Joni comes back to the SharePoint mobile app later, all she needs to do is click into the Find tab, and there it is, her most recent search. These are our 0 query results. They include your recent searches trending in your network, and other content we think is relevant to you at any moment when you tap into the search bar. Later in the day, we find Joni walking to a meeting, and she remembers last minute, as unfortunately many of us do, that there is a document she needed to have read. But she has the SharePoint mobile app, so it's no big deal. She knows that the document she's looking for, which is a legal report, is in the North America site. So she could go to the site from the Find tab, and you can see that sites render beautifully in the SharePoint mobile app, and she could navigate to the document through the left navigation. Or Joni can use a cool new feature we've built into the app. So in the File tab, when you in the Find tab, when you click on the ellipses next to a site, you see this cool, easy access sheet. This allows you to go to content in the site without having to actually navigate the site. So in this case, Joni is looking for a file. She taps into File. This shows her all the available document libraries in this site. Joni knows that the document she's looking for is in the doclib named Documents, so she clicks into it. And she can search for the document in this view itself. So she's looking for legal report. She searches for it, there it is, that's her document. Taps on it, skims through it, and she's good to go for the meeting. I will pause here to emphasize a really important point. The SharePoint mobile app will very soon support document libraries natively. And this is important because it means that you can search for and view your files within the app itself.
Woo! Yeah. All right.
Later in the day, Joni is waiting in line for coffee, and of course, she is scrolling through the news feed in the SharePoint mobile app. And as she's doing this, a news post catches her attention. It's the one about Contoso's open source goals for Q4. And she's reading it, this is a great post, and she sees that for October, the Cats.io project is scheduled to be completed. This is great news because she was working with Jordan on this project for a little bit, and they had some technical trouble getting it off the ground. So she's really happy to see that it's due in October, and she wants to congratulate Jordan. And doing so is super easy. SharePoint pages will soon support @mentions in the comment section. And from mobile, it's as easy as going to the comment section, typing the @symbol. This already gives you some suggestions from the get-go. Then searching for your coworker's name. In this case, I'm looking for Jordan. Of course, you can mention first name only if that's what you want to do. She wants to say congrats on cats and hits post. This is going to notify Jordan that Joni mentioned her in the comment section of this news post. Okay. Now let's cut to Jordan to see what he's up to.
All right. You guys can hear me? Yeah, okay. All right, so should be coming up here. Okay, so I'm Jordan, established that. So I should be getting an @mention notification here pretty soon. But with everything going on in here, who knows what's happening, so we'll wait on that. But let's pretend that I did, okay? So if I go into the app, and let me see if I can find that post. Let's see. Here it is, open source. I can see in here, congrats to me, excellent. So I'm just going to reply and say, thanks, and post it, and then she's going to get notification back. So this is an interesting post. My name's in it. I got congrats by it. I want to read it, but I'm going to read it later because I got other stuff to do. So at the top right, I'm just going to save it for later, and I'll get back to it in a bit. The other thing I want to show you in the news section is now we have organizational or company news. So you see in here, we have a pivot at the top where it shows me all of my news, and you can see news at Contoso, and that represents, in this case, our company news or our organizational news. And throughout, there's different posts from my company. I can also go to the filter and look just at news from Contoso, in which case it's all from my organization or my company. Or I can look at my saved news or news from sites, which is the experience you would get today before it's upgraded to this new experience. All right, so now time has passed. It's lunchtime. I just went to a great presentation from Henrietta about a new proposal or a new project she's working on. I'm with a coworker, and I'm going to go find that proposal and take a look at it and read it. I wasn't able to do it after, and now I have time. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to do a search for Henrietta, so I start typing her name. It comes up right away, which is great. I can click on her name, and I go and I see her people card. And in here, you have information about her, contact information. I see who she reports to and the organization. I can look at that. But I also can look at the files she's working on. So I noticed here she's working on testing best practices. So I'm going to open that. Lots of very interesting information here. If you read Latin, just like 5 words of it, you'll understand all of this. Otherwise, it's very complex. And you'll notice that up in the right, there is a word icon. So with all of our, what we call the quick viewer, you can get to your documents, your PowerPoints, your Excel, your PDFs super fast. And then if you want to go into an edit experience, we provide that right from here as well. Okay, so I've done that. You'll also notice when I go back to the Find tab that the testing best practice is also in recent files. So I can open up the same one here, see the same Latin, and go back. So then I have different ways to get to it. It's always available for me, brought to me from the graph and through artificial intelligence through Microsoft, and through all the great stuff that's happening in SharePoint. Okay, so now a bit more time has passed. Now it's time to get on the bus. I'm going home. I want to go back to that news post that I got congratulated on that I haven't read yet. So I'm going to go into the Me tab, which is the lower right. And then here I see all my recent content. I can filter by files, by lists, or I can see everything. But I'm going to go into Saved. So at the top of the list, you'll see the news post that I was looking at, or I wanted to finish looking at, so I'm going to click on that. And you'll notice that it's beautiful, it's modern, it's responsive. All the stuff I expect to see in a page is here. Same with modern sites, same with the communication sites. I can read it on the way home. All is wonderful. So finally, I'm about to get home on the bus. I want to go back and find Henrietta, or I want to go find that document again. And everything that I looked at, mostly everything, is showing up in Quick Access. So Quick Access is the place you go to see the things that you recently did, whether it's people, lists, sites, etc. All right, so that is it for the demo. We're going to talk about a couple more things, and then we're going to wrap it up nice and quick. Let's see. Before I get to the last slide, just a reminder that these are a few of the things. We have like 20 minutes today. There's a ton more stuff that we're doing. We're super excited about the direction we're going. We're super excited about the intelligence at its core. So we hope that you get the app, number one. We thank you for coming. Please go get the app, test it out, try it out, provide us feedback. If you're already using it, awesome, provide us feedback. But we're very excited about the direction we're headed. So thank you all for coming today, and also fill out the evaluation. Thank you.
Good job.
It's off. So security for the app is all governed by SharePoint proper. So any kind of security you've done, we honor it. Nothing special just for us. So if you've locked things down, if you've restricted access, all honored in the app.
Oh, I'll just use it. Thank you.
Yep. So the question was about whether what security look like, how does it work for the app, and everything, search results, the files you can access, whether you can download them, all that is governed by SharePoint, yeah. The app is available today. A lot of these new features are rolling out. Document libraries, organizational news will be coming out in the next month or two. The new experience is rolling out right now for SharePoint Online, so you may or may not have it yet, but it's coming out right now. Yep. Yes, sir. Well, so the question was, does it only work with SharePoint Online? We have an app for on-prem as well. Right now, these new features are only SharePoint Online, but stay tuned as we evolve. We have both. We support both. So, over time, we'll try to get to both.
Maybe later, but
yeah. Yep. Thank you, everyone.